Bandit networking introduction, the OC model. The earliest conceptual model of computer network was developed by ISO in 1984 and is known as the OC model. The OC model itself is conceptual in nature. It does not include any actual specification for network implementation. However, the OC model does provide a framework for understanding the components of a complete network communication system. As we will see, many of today's most commonly implemented networking technologies use features and protocols that reflect parts of the OC model. The OC model defines a seven-layer architecture for a complete communication system. First one, application layer. The application layer is the topmost layer of the OC model. Data transmission frequently originate in the application layer of the origin device and terminate in the application layer of the target device. This layer deals with the identification of services and communications partners, user authentication, and data syntax. Some common application layer protocols include Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP, Telnet and File Transfer Protocol or FTP. The second layer is presentation layer. The presentation layer is a software layer that formats and encrypts data that will be sent across a network, ensuring compatibility between the transmitting device and the receiving device. The presentation layer includes protocols such as ASCII, ASCII, JPEG, and PEG. The third layer is session layer. For data transfer to occur between application and separate devices, a session must be created. The purpose of the session layer is to manage, synchronize, and terminate connectivity between applications, ensuring coordinated data exchange while minimizing packet loss. The session layer can provide for full duplex, half duplex, or simplex communications. The fourth layer is transport layer. In the OC model, the transport layer receives message from the data layer and converts it into smaller units that can be efficiently handled by the network layer. In protocols such as TCP/IP, the transport layer adds a header to each data segment, which includes the port of origin and the destination port address. This is called service point addressing. Service point addressing ensures that a message from the transmitting computer goes to the correct port once it arrives at the destination computer. The transmission control protocol (TCP) and user datagram protocol (UDP) are popular transport layer protocols for devices that connect to the internet.